In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to Access Privacy. Over here. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like camera. Now click on one of your apps. I will go with AliExpress from Not Allowed category and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to apply the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that AliExpress app just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always go back and tap on one of those options to find an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will go into Location to access my Chrome. Now, instead of selecting one of those options, click on See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!